In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Shopify store revenue. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find your sales numbers and how to understand what they mean for your business. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account and you're on your store's main admin page. This is usually called the Shopify dashboard. This dashboard is your home base. It's where you can manage products, orders, customers, and of course, your analytics. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right store if you manage more than one, because the revenue numbers are specific to each individual store. From the left-hand side of the admin, look for the section labeled Analytics. This is the area where Shopify gathers all of your data and turns it into useful reports and charts. Go ahead and click on Analytics. If this is your first time here, it may feel like a lot of information at once, but we're going to focus on just one key report, so it's easy to follow. Once the analytics page loads, look for a report called Total Sales Over Time. This is the main report you'll use to check your store's revenue. Click on that. When you open it, Shopify will display a detailed dashboard that shows your gross sales, net sales, and other useful metrics for the date range you've selected. At the top of the report, you'll usually see a date selector. You can use this to choose the period you want to analyze, such as today, yesterday, the last 7 days, this month, or a custom range. Choosing the right date range is important because it directly affects the revenue numbers you're looking at. For example, if you want to see how your last promotion performed, set the dates to match that campaign period. On the chart and summary cards, gross sales will show the total value of all products sold before any discounts, returns, or taxes are taken into account. Net sales, on the other hand, reflect what you actually earned after subtracting discounts and returns. This net number is often the one you'll pay the most attention to when you're tracking performance over time. You can hover over the graph to see specific values for each day or time period, which is helpful for spotting trends, spikes during promotions, or slow periods that might need attention. If you like to analyze data further, you can also use the filters and options around the report to break down revenue by channel or compare periods. And that's it. By navigating to your Shopify dashboard, opening Analytics, and using the Total Sales Over Time report, you can quickly and accurately check